Video blood film preparation. So let's start. First of all, select the finger and wash it with alcohol, then puncture with needle and gently squeezes the finger. Now watch the procedure of collecting blood sample of one edge of the testing slide. After collecting the sample, the smear is prepared by this technique. Then the smear is stained with Leishman stain and cover it and wait for 10 minutes for the proper staining. After 10 minutes, the slide is washed with water. Now it is observed under the microscope by adjusting the power, and you can see this type of blood cells like erythrocyte, neutrophil, lymphocyte, eosinophil, basophil, monocyte, etc. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.